Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 12, exercise 3B of chapter 3. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve exercise 3B questions 1 to 12 of Composite Mathematics textbook class 6 by S.K. Gupta and Anubhuti Gangal. Chapter name is Playing with Numbers and topics are factors and multiples. Now we solve question number 1. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First bit is a dash of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Answer is factor. Factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Second bit, a dash is a factor of all natural number. 1 is a factor of all natural numbers. Third bit is the factors of 56 are dash. 56, we multiply 1 and 56, we get 56. 2 and 28, we get 56. 4 and 24, multiply 4 and 14, we get 56. Multiply 4 and 14, we get 56. Multiply 7 and 8, we get 56. So these are the factors of 56. So factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Now we solve question number 4th bit. 4th bit is in the mathematical sentence 3 multiplied with 8 equal to 24 and 24 is the dash of 3 and 8. 24 is the multiple of 3 and 8 is 3 and 8 are factors and 24 is the multiple. When we multiply two numbers, the two numbers are called the factors and the product that we get is called the multiple. So here 3 multiplied with 8 equal to 24. 24 is the multiple of 3 and 8. Fifth bit. The least non-zero multiple of any number is dash. Least non-zero multiple of any number is the number itself. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is answer true or false. First bit is the number of factors of a given number are infinite. Answer is false. Second bit, every number is a multiple of 1. True. We multiply every number with 1, we get the number itself. So every number is a multiple of 1. Third bit, 6 is a factor of 27. False. We can't multiply 3 with any numbers, we get 27. Fourth bit, the largest two-digit multiple of 9 is 99. True. As we multiply 9 with 11, we get 99. 9 and 11 are the factors of the number 99 and 99 is the multiple of 9 and 11. Fifth bit, there exists a natural number which is no factor at all. False. Every number has factor. Now we solve question number 3 and question number 3 is list all the factors of 8. 8 is 1 multiplied with 8, we get 8. We multiply 2 with 4, we get 8. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. 1 multiplied with 8 is 8. 2 multiplied with 4 is 8. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Second bit 18. We multiply 1 and 18, we get 18. We multiply 2 and 9, we get 18. 2 multiplied with 9, we get 18. We multiply 3 with 6, we get 18. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now we solve question number third bit. Third bit is 23. We multiply 1 with 23, we get 23. So factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Fourth bit 48. We multiply 1 with 48, we get 48. We multiply 2 with 24, we get 48. We multiply 3 with 16, we get 48. We multiply 4 with 12, we get 48. We multiply 6 with 8, we get 48. So factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Now sixth is 36. 36 we multiply 1 with 36, we get 36. We multiply 2 with 18, we get 36. We multiply 3 with 12, we get 36. We multiply 4 with 9, we get 36. Multiply 6 with 6, we get 36. So factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Sixth bit 100. We multiply 1 with 100, we get 100. We multiply 2 with 50, we get 100. Multiply 4 with 25, we get 100. We multiply 5 with 20, we get 100. We multiply 10 with 10, we get 100. So factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. Now we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is list the first 5 multiples of 7. 5 multiples of 7 are 1 multiplied with 7, 2 multiplied with 7. Multiply 7 with all the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any numbers we multiply with 7, that is the numbers that we get, that is the multiples of that number. So here first 5 multiples of number 7 are 1 multiple of multiplied with 7, 2 multiplied with 7, 3 multiplied with 7, 4 multiplied with 7, 5 multiplied with 7. As we have to find the first 5 multiples, so we have to multiply 7 with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 multiplied with 7 is 7. 1, 2 multiplied with 7 is 14. 3 multiplied with 7 is 21. 4 multiplied with 7 is 28. 5 multiplied with 7 is 35. So first 5 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Second bit 11. First 5 multiples of 11 are 1 multiplied with 11, 2 multiplied with 11, 3 multiplied with 11, 4 multiplied with 11 and 5 multiplied with 11. As we have to find first 5 multiples of 11, so multiply 11 with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 multiplied with 11 is 11, 2 multiplied with 11 is 22, 3 multiplied with 11 is 33, 4 multiplied with 11 is 44 and 5 multiplied with 11 is 55. So first 5 multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. Now third bit 12. First 5 multiples of 12 are multiplied 12 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 multiplied with 12 is 12. 2 multiplied with 12 is 24. 3 multiplied with 12 is 36. 4 multiplied with 12 is 48. And 5 multiplied with 12 is 60. These are the multiples of 12. So first 5 multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Now fourth bit 16. First 5 multiples of 16 are 1 multiplied with 16, 2 multiplied with 16, 3 multiplied with 16, 4 multiplied with 16 and 5 multiplied with 16. 1 multiplied with 16 is 16, 2 multiplied with 16 is 32, 3 multiplied with 16 is 48, 4 multiplied with 16 is 64 and 5 multiplied with 16 is 80. So these are the first 5 multiples of 16. So first 5 multiples of 16 are 16, 32, 48, 64 and 80. Now fifth bit 18. First 5 multiples of 18 are 1 multiplied with 18, 2 multiplied with 18, 3 multiplied with 18, 4 multiplied with 18 and 5 multiplied with 18. 1 multiplied with 18 is 18, 2 multiplied with 18 is 36, 3 multiplied with 18 is 54, 4 multiplied with 18 is 72 and 5 multiplied with 18 is 19. So first 5 multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72 and 90. Sixth bit 20. First 5 multiples of 20 are 1 multiplied with 20, 2 multiplied with 20, 3 multiplied with 20, 4 multiplied with 20 and 5 multiplied with 20. 1 multiplied with 20 is 20, 2 multiplied with 20 is 40, 3 multiplied with 20 is 60, 4 multiplied with 20 is 80 and 5 multiplied with 20 is 100. So first 5 multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 is determine whether 39 is a factor of 13,962 or not. Dividing 39,962 by 39, we get 358 as quotient and 0 is the remainder. So 39 is a factor of 13,962. As we get the remainder 0, then the number 39 is a factor of 39,962. If we don't get the number 0 as the remainder, then we say that the number is not a factor of that number. Now fourth bit. Now second bit. 45 is a factor of 8,502 or not. Dividing 8,502 by 45, we get 188 is the quotient and 42 is the remainder. 45 is not divisible by 8,502 as we don't get remainder as 0. So the number 45 is not a factor of 8,502. When we get the remainder 0, then the number is the factor of that number, and if we don't get the number 0, then the number is not a factor of that number. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.